So this was basically, I just ended it because I'm playing a bot, obviously. But off of the cards in hand, I ended up with 3, 4, 5, 6 negates. Interruption, I want to say. Interruption. So 6 negates and 3 interruptions. And that's what all of these are. This is 4 negates, 1 intel, and a floodgate. I'm having a blast with what I'm doing. IRL and online, but I'm gonna be playing Master Duels, and they don't have the new cards in Master Duels, but I'm trying to get those free gems from the tournaments. And I'm just having a blast, working out a lot, playing with this version of the Blue Eyes my way. And I still have the other Blue Eyes. I have 2 Blue Eyes decks: Blue Eyes Horus and Blue Eyes Primite Evolution, I want to say. But I am having a blast. Life couldn't be more perfect. And all of this is just new stuff to me to figure out. The other deck is more Exceed based with the horror stuff. This just does a lot of things in different ways. So this is a floodgate. I'm gonna show it. This is 3 negates, obviously. 4, 5 negates, interruption, and a floodgate. Exceeds rank 3 and link 3 and lower cannot use their effects because I used 3 vanilla monsters to make him. So he's a walking floodgate for link 3 and lower and rank 3 and lower. They can't use their effects at all. This is 5 negates, 1 interruption, and a floodgate. That's the first one. Since we have the other one, we'll look for the floodgate card. And then we're just going to set everything up for the floodgate. Our other interruption is the trap card. I'm just showcasing the combos. You could do so many different things with this. Like, it's just exciting playing with stuff that's infinitely has infinite possibilities. So there's the floodgate, 5 negates, a floodgate, and an interruption. 2 interruptions actually. This is an interruption, and then you're gonna use it to get your vanilla Blue Eyes on the field from deck, since you put all 3 back to bring out this guy. And then since you have a vanilla on the field now, that'll be this negate. Well, this is an interruption, so this will be an interruption. This obviously will be set. You'll have 1 Blue Eyes on the field, so this will be a second destruction interruption, a bounce interruption, and then since Blue Eyes is on the field, a negate from the field. This can tag into Ultimate Spirit for the second negate, and then this has 3 on it. We did this one already. This was the first one. Let's do this one. So this is 3, 4, 5, 6 negates. This will be an interruption. Since we already have Kaiban, we'll just set up for Valor, giving us a 7 negate. Everything depends on your hand, what you can do. And you as the pilot to know what to do, or what you can do. So the Valor in hand will be the 7th negate while doing the regular stuff for the 6 negates on field. Now these are actual duels. This is 5 negates, a floodgate, and an interruption. Oh, and another floodgate by itself. That's why I said it's trolling. You couldn't do anything past this. You want to see the deck? Still messing around with it because I kind of like another different combo line for an OTK. So when I'm done playing with this, because I'm just trolling for now and still winning. But doing this off of heavenly spheres is like, it's just funny to me. So, but I want to put Poly in, take this out, and put Crimson spell card, because I can see a lot more things I can do with that. And with Poly, even if I just do my basic combo to bring out no, I'll just leave it as is. It's better just this way. Never mind. But I'm still play testing and playing around with stuff.